School. Hello guys, welcome to Balete National High School. I welcome you to Balete National High School. Come. Come eat. Shoutout kay, Ron Mayer. Shoutout ka muna. Shoutout kay Lawrence na bading. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa papuntang kantin. Okay. Kantin nga ba? Yan po ang school ng grade 9. Oh, yan po ang school ng grade 9. Okay na? Okay. Ano sasabihin mo sa gulo? Wait lang. Oh, ano mangyari dyan? That's the bully ni AJ Ulo. Okay. It's a bird to be a religious brought up featuring a statue of the Virgin Mary, commonly constructed for outdoor shrines. Such grottos are frequently available in various sizes from vendors, often as complete packages. The structure is designed to resemble a natural cave, often painted with or beige, to blend with garden surroundings. Welcome sa aming bayan.
I just had to let you know you're